Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Instagram this story unavailable problem solved. Instagram is the world most popular online photo sharing social networking app, but sometimes the Instagram show your message, this story is unavailable. You can easily solve the problem by watching the full video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Long press on Instagram app, then click app info. Click manage notification. Then enable all notifications. Click Instagram direct. Then enable all notifications. Click back. Then click permission. Allow all permission. Click back. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Then click clear data. Click OK. Open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Open Instagram app. Then log in your Instagram account. Click dismiss. Then again log in your Instagram account. Click login. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.